Hello, leaders and lifelong learners. Welcome back to the Meta Leadership Development Center. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's crucial in our interconnected world: cultural intelligence. Ever wondered how some leaders effortlessly bridge cultural gaps? Let's unravel the secret. In today's increasingly interconnected world, cultural intelligence, also known as CQ, plays a critical role. It equips individuals with the ability to navigate through the intricacies of diverse cultural backgrounds. CQ is a significant asset in our globalized era, as it's no longer just a beneficial trait, but an absolute requirement. With CQ, navigating cultural complexities becomes less daunting, enabling more effective communication and collaboration. Individuals with high cultural intelligence can effectively bridge cultural gaps, creating smoother interactions and fostering a better understanding across international borders. Perhaps you're wondering, isn't cultural intelligence just a blend of emotional or social intelligence? Well, it's more intricate than that. While emotional intelligence navigates the labyrinth of our own and others' emotions, and social intelligence decodes the complex web of interpersonal relationships, cultural intelligence stands apart. It specifically hones in on cultural awareness and adaptability. Visualize a leader who can not only decipher team dynamics and comprehend emotions, but also adeptly navigate through cultural differences. That is the power of cultural intelligence. Let's look at some real-life examples. Leaders with high CQ foster inclusive environments where everyone feels valued. This not only boosts morale but also drives innovation and performance. So, how can you boost your CQ? First, immerse yourself in different cultures. Read, travel, or even attend cultural events. Second, introspect. Recognize your biases and work on them. Lastly, practice empathy and active listening. Understand before being understood. It's a journey, but every step makes you a more effective and inclusive leader. In a nutshell, cultural intelligence is the bridge that connects leaders to a world of diverse thoughts, ideas, and innovations. So, let's keep learning, growing, and bridging those gaps. Share your CQ journey in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.